Well, it's different for everybody, I think, because I think everybody has areas. I mean, everybody has, like anything else, strengths and weaknesses, right? For me, in my background and what I did before becoming a lawyer, it led to a strength that is dealing with people, and I say dealing, that's a bad thing, but in being able to have empathy and compassion and communicate. And those were my, because I did.
Is that natural for you, or do you work on that, do you think? Having
I
those
would.
things.
It's tough to separate. I mean, I always like to work on it.
Yeah.
But I've had that since. I mean, when I was, when I grew up in Del Rio, my mom worked at the federal courthouse for she was a secretary for federal probation and parole, which was my insight into the first time into like legal process. Right, when I would be able to go to the office and see a courthouse and people going to work there, and then my dad worked at the Ford dealership, and so that was an important part of, I think, what led me to where I'm at and what makes me effective at what I do, because I got to overhear and see a lot of the salespeople forming relationships with customers and listen to how they interacted, and then
And on that level, I mean, on that level, that's something where that's a special skill when they're good at it, because you're trying to create a relationship instantly.